Hey everyone, how are we doing? My name is Tim Pongrass and this is Focus on Detailing. Today's video is going to be all about the golf tee mod. I've seen a lot of videos out there on YouTube of people shoving golf tees up their vacuum pipes in an attempt to change the sound of their car. But what exactly is the golf tee mod? Well, let me just get Google to answer that for you, as it'll probably be more specific than what I can do. Golf tee mod. The golf tee mod simply plugs the vacuum line to the actuator just before the exhaust tip, allowing it to remain open at all times for a slightly louder sound at part throttle and idle. As soon as I see a title saying free and modification, I automatically assume it's pretty gimmicky and likely not going to work. But so far, a lot of the videos that I've watched, people seem reasonably impressed with the changes. To really get a broad sound spectrum to see if this actually works, I'm going to have the car standing still, revving and idling, as well as the car in motion, using my GoPros, one near the exhaust and one in the interior, to see if there is any changes at all. And after this, I'll tell you if it does work or if it does not. So this is my car and the car that will be getting its vacuum line plugged. Let's just have a look. There's a bit of dust over it at the moment, but that's alright. The joys of living in Mildura. It's like 40 degrees today. So what we're actually looking at here, this is what needs to be pulled out there from the actuator and then plugged with a golf tee, or I've seen some people use a screw, so it would be the screw mod. Let's do the screw mod, but that doesn't sound as good. So yeah, once it's plugged up, people use a zip tie to hold it up there, but let's just, oh gee, that's dirty under there. Don't look, just look at the... Gotcha. So that's what we're looking at right there. A little bit dirty, as you can see. I've got my screw over a golf tee. Just shove it up there. Just like that. The only thing this is sounding like is a complete waste of time, but anyway. Another question that gets asked a lot once you plug your vacuum hose up is, do you get any faults? And the answer to that would be no. Well, none so far. As easy as it was to take off, it's now back on with no worries whatsoever. Believe it or not guys, there actually was a difference in sound while I was in motion. It actually sounded kind of deeper. I'm not going to really know until I play back the footage from the GoPro, so I'll find out soon enough. But while I'm on this trend of wasting my day, why not go all out and do my own custom exhaust modification that I've got in mind? Where I need to go for it is Macca's. Should I use blinkers or not? How BMW am I feeling today? Hey, can I just get 2 large Cokes, thank you?
2 large Cokes now?
That's a lot, thank you.
But you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back.
I actually have no interest in this particular occasion of what's in there. So I want to take that Coke and put it in there. So it's completely clear and clean, ready for the exhaust. That needs to go out of there so it's air can get through somehow. Oh, look at that. Spot on. They're looking pretty decent so far. I mean, you'd pay for that. But I'm not liking the Macca's all over it. So let's paint them black. You'll see it's flame proof because it'll be spitting flames after this modification. Oh, you... Alright, so now you've all heard of the Golf Tee mod. Get ready for the Macca's mod. If you don't already know, this is a piss take. It's just Australian humour. Please don't dislike this video because you think I'm being serious. I'm not. I really hope you don't think I'm being serious. To sum it up, is the Golf Tee mod a waste of time? I'm gonna go with no, as it doesn't really take up any time at all. But in saying that, there is no real change in terms of the sound, as you can imagine from doing something so simple. The BMW 335i sounds good enough stock, and well, too bad if it doesn't, because I want to be saving for holidays and a house. So all those engine modifications and exhaust modifications can get put on hold for quite some time. There is really no other way around it. If you're wanting a car that sounds different, save the money and buy an exhaust system or do some other modification that actually involves spending money. In all honesty, you'd probably get a different sound from your car by doing what I just did and putting the Macca's cups over the exhaust. I don't know why I did that. I'm gonna be one of those people that promote themselves, because you know, why not? If you haven't already, don't forget to check out my Instagram page and Facebook page and give it a like and a follow. I hope you enjoyed this video and it saves you the worry of trying it out yourself. Don't forget to check out some of my other uploads, and thank you for watching this one.